Hey!
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy.
Hey guys, it's Isa here, and I have a very special early Halloween treat for you guys. I have this video of simple DIYs and nail art that you can do for this Halloween season if you don't really celebrate Halloween that much but still want to be festive. So here are some simple DIYs, a simple phone case DIY and a nail art DIY for you guys. So if you want to see that, please stay tuned, and if you'd like it at the end of this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you on my next Halloween video. Let's get over to the voiceover. Let's start with the phone cases. The things you need are glue gun, googly eyes, some puff paint, and a phone case you want to destroy. So the first one, we're going to align these googly eyes however you want on the case. I chose a black case, and then I'm just fixing these googly eyes on there. And then you're going to get your glue gun and then just glue it down. That's practically it. And you will have a very pretty googly eyes phone case that is very festive for the Halloween season. Next we have is this designed phone case. So I chose the Jack from the Nightmare Before Christmas design to put on my phone case. So I just have it on my phone, and I am just trying to copy it as much as I can here on this phone case that I painted black actually. So I'm trying to get this puff paint out. So as you can see here, it's white, but mine actually dried out to be a clear puff paint. So anything or any color you want will do. Next, let's go to the nail art. So here we have your Frankenstein nails. So what I did is just put some masking tape diagonally on my fingers and then painted the index finger a solid color because that's where I want my Frankenstein to be. And then I will just remove the masking tape and clean off the ugly edges of my nails. You will have this. And then we're going to use a purple striper or any thin paintbrush if you don't have a striper, and then just go on to the diagonal lines of the other nails that is not your pointer finger. Next, we are going to make some stitches. So put straight lines across your green and purple diagonal lines or whatever color that you use to make it look like stitching. And then for the face of Frankenstein, I will use like a triangle method using a very thin paintbrush to make it look like hair. So I'm doing his hair right now, and then I will add very little dots for his eyes using the same purple nail polish. Again, this is just a very thin paintbrush. You can use a toothpick if you have one. And then I will make a straight line with stitches again for his mouth. You can make it into a happy face or a sad face, whatever fits. Yeah, so I just use this stitching process again, and that is your nails. Next, we're going to use or do this pumpkin nails, and I just use masking tape again to form sort of a triangular shape on the nails that I want to look like candy corn. And then on some nails I painted a solid orange color for the whole face of the pumpkin. Then I'm going to get this brown striper. You can use again a thin paintbrush and then just align it or line it up to the triangles of the nails. Next, we're going to do the pumpkin. So I'm just gonna do a triangle method. So I'm just gonna put small triangles at the top to make it look like the green stuff of a pumpkin or like the hair. So I'm just doing it with a green striper, but you can use a thin paintbrush again. So for the jack-o'-lantern or for the pumpkin's eyes, I will use a brown color, the same brown color that I used on the candy corn style of the other nails. So I'm putting this as a triangle inward, so the triangle is pointing inward. And then for the mouth, you can do whatever you want, but again, for easier method, I will just use the stitching method like I did in the Frankenstein nails. So that's what I'm doing right here. And actually, you are done!